Hey guys, and in today's video, we're playing Five Nights at Monkeys.
Wasn't ready.
It doesn't matter.
Fine.
No, I'm not stopping the recording. This is
What's up, guys? And today we are playing Five Nights at Monkeys Part 2.
LaShawn wasn't in the last video.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we're on part 1.
I died at the end of night 1. New.
Hello, is this on? Okay.
Where are
Hey
you?
there, welcome to your first day on the job. This is pre-recorded message that will explain a few things about this job. So let's
Where
get
are
into it.
you?
The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door
Where are
closed for
you?
too long, since you have a limited amount of power, aka battery. I don't know, really.
Hello?
What to call it? You can call it whatever. Is that everything? Oh yeah. Every night you will be in different locations. The first night, which you've just started, will take place in forest. Also, there are some things that like to lurk in the forest. I'm not really sure what they are, but if you see anything looking at you through the window, then quickly hide under the table. Anyway, good luck.
Hello? It said multiplayer is kind of bugged. That's probably why. No, it's
Hey
fine.
there, this is pre-recorded message.
No.
We've detected that Frederick the
No,
Little
Frederick,
Snowman
get
is
back
not in
into
his
your
original
spot.
Please find him before it's too late.
I just said multiplayer isn't really working right now during the nights. Did you hear what I said? Hey, get off of my bridge! Only I can stop people from there. I mean, only PvP can stop people from up there. Frederick, stay in your spot. Stay in your spot. Make sure that whenever Frederick the Snowman moves, you have to touch him to send him back, or he'll kill you. Who, Frederick or the other guy? The Snowman did. Wait, did you get the warning that he moved? No, hold on. Was it a gorilla who killed you? That's not Frederick. No, Frederick is the snowman, and that's behind you. He's a little snowman
Hey there,
who lives
this
on.
is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
No, get out from under my desk, Frederick. Because it's still in beta. He's on the stairs! He's on the stairs! I closed the door. The red button. The green button opens it. But, he's outside of my door. Never mind. He's on cam 6. Yeah, but what I want to know is what is his stage? The gorilla, I don't know what his name is. Oh, we get paid with shiny locks. Yeah, leave the sign. See? At least you get more shiny pebbles. I think his stage is the gazebo. And like the stage is his His stage is the.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is
Oh,
not in
he's
his original
he's in the
spot.
corner. No,
Please
that's my
find him before
drumstick.
it's
Get
too
back. I didn't upload part 1 yesterday. Should I have? Okay, well I'll just post both today. You should post your POV too. Now where is he? Oh, never mind. Frederick, stay in your spot. Hi, Bobby. Boop, boop. So you know how you can, boop Freddy's nose? Boop Bobby's nose. You get an achievement. Bobby is a Gorilla Tag plushie behind you. Okay.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original
Chat,
spot.
where is he?
Please find him before it's too late.
Oh. He's up the stairs! Did you boop Bobby's nose? Little monkey. I don't know what the pumpkin does. Wait, do you think because we're making a video on this, we'll never be able to get finger paint or an actual Gorilla Tag? Or do you think it'll be fine? Because, like, it's not really a copy. It's not like we're making a video about, like, an actual Gorilla Tag copy. This is more of a fan game. But it does use Gorilla Tag models, so I'm not sure. Because I still want to get finger painted. Because that's kind of like my dream for Gorilla Tag. And also next year, we'll be able to get content creator in Yeeps. We'll get exclusive cosmetics and we'll get exclusive cosmetics and
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is
And,
not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
And every week they'll give us something to make a video on, and if we do, we'll get butt coins. Okay. No, if we get content creator in Yeeps, we'll get exclusive cosmetics every month. And every week, Trash Games will give us something to make a video on, and if we do, we get butt coins. That's how like the big Yeeps content creators always earn everything immediately. Well, and because they always buy every bundle, but it's also because of that. Look, get out! It's 5 a.m. and I have 54% of my battery life. I'm chilling. After I beat Night 1, it's gonna be the end of part 2. Well, if I do beat it.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Oh, he's right there. New. Gone. But remember, you were getting COVID and autism from that one kid. All 3Ds. No, what? Oh, he's on the stage. Ah! Where is he? Yeah, it's 6 a.m. Oh. Achievement unlocked. Whoa, I actually just almost fell. I made the part 1 at midnight. I'm not even joking. How do I get back?